What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today's going to be another quick one. We're going to talk about the end of month function. Basically, you want to find the date for the end of a certain amount of months in the future. Let's say it's today, which it is, equals today, sure. Or you can plug the date in. And this will also move depending on, let's say tomorrow, it's the 10th, that kind of thing. Months, we're going to say that is, say, 60. Let's say, sure, we want to know when we're going to pay off the car that we just bought, if we make all the payments on the schedule. All you do, equals EOM, end of month, returns a serial number of the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. So in 60 months from now, we're going to get that last date. Double click it, or you can hit tab, start date, click right there, hit that comma, months, what's 60 months from now? Close the parentheses and hit enter. Oh, we got this. Just got to format it. We just click there. Instead of the serial number that Excel gives us, right on the Home tab here, drop down. However you want to see the date. It could be this. It could be that. That's my preference usually. But you get it. And then you go 72, 83, 11, 52. And so on. You'll get the exact month, you know when it is, and you'll see what's projected. But the reason that's cool with end of month here, if you change this, let's go with, let's see, 4/28/2021. Then 4/29/2021. 4/30/2021. Okay. Well, if it just, like, usually it's with February, there's always a quirk in there because the 30 and 28 days, 31 days, all that stuff. If you're in February, typically at the end of the month, it's gonna pop you over to the next one. So that's always something to watch out for, but most of the time this will give you a dang accurate estimation. Other than that, thanks. If this has been helpful, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.